Ilang taon ka nang nagtatrabaho sa Taiwan, pero may naipupuntar ka na bang asset nakikita para sa'yo kahit hindi ka na nagtatrabaho? Paano kung yung kinikita mo sa Taiwan today can help you to build a passive income sa Pilipinas tomorrow? Kung OFW ka, English teacher, professionals, Taiwanese investors, this might be the opportunity you're looking for. Hi everyone! I am excited to share 2 Ayala Land project na pwedeng maging simula ng iyong real estate investment journey. Avida Verge and Centralis. Located in a fast-growing business and residential areas, these developments are ideal for long-term leasing and future value appreciation. Imagine owning a property habang nagtatrabaho ka abroad, then eventually earning rental income from it in the future. And here's the best part. You can start investing for as low as 15K per month, whether your goal is extra income, retirement planning, or building a long-term wealth. Real estate remains one of the smartest investments you can make. And if you want to know more, I'll be personally in Taipei this June 20 for an exclusive property investment event at Sheraton Grand Taipei Hotel. We'll talk about property opportunities, payment options, and how you can start building a passive income through Philippine real estate. Limited slots only, so send me a message and reserve your seat today. Work in Taiwan today, build your future wealth in the Philippines tomorrow. See you there.